a recap, so these are the characteristics of lock winding. Okay, so the winding starting from a neutral side returns back to that very coil. No? Ito yung na-prove natin last time, di ba? Nag-start siya, tapos pinakahuli, doon pa rin siya sa kung saan siya nanggaling. Okay, so back pitch and front pitch of all the coils remain the same, odd number, no? And odd number. Then total number of brushes is equal to the number of poles. So kung ilan yung number of poles natin, yun din ang total number of brushes sa lock winding, no? Then there are many parallel paths in the armature as the number of poles. So ibig sabihin, kung ilan yung number of poles, yun din ang number of parallel paths. At the same time, yun din ang number of brushes, no? So pare-pareho yun. So kung ilan yung number of poles, yan yung number of brushes and number of parallel paths. So parang sinasabi na dito, no? Yung pole, no? Yung number of pole, that is equal to the number of yung A, di ba? And number of, ito yung parallel paths, ito yung number of pole, tapos yung isa, number of brushes, no? Okay? So that is true for lock winding. Then yung voltage between the positive and negative ng brush is equal to the generated in parallel paths. So since parallel yan, so pare-pareho lang yung voltage niyan, no? Nakalagay dito, average EMF per coil side times yung conductor divided by the number of poles, no? So for example, the average EMF is 12 volts per coil side. So multiply natin yan ng yung say multiplied by the number of poles. So kung ano lalabas yan, yun yung EMF between the positive and the negative brushes. So ito yung positive brush, ito yung negative na brush, di ba? Ganyan yan. Okay, so you have, okay, kaya yan, di ba? So kung yun yung positive, negative, ito bale yung tatlo yan, so 3 parallel paths. Kasi tatlo. So kung dalawa yan, so halimbawa dalawa, no? Kada parallel paths, dalawa. So you have 2 conductor per parallel paths, no? Kasi dalawa na yung conductor. Okay? So nakalagay din dito, current per parallel path. So current bawat isa, that is IC, no? IA over T. So yung IA na yan, that is the current of the armature divided by the number of poles. Ito yung current, ito yung IC. Yeah. So this one is the IC. IC. Okay? Then the resistance in each conductor, ayun, nandun doon. So R is equal to rho L, say, all over yung parallel paths multiplied by area squared. Okay? Ayan. So ito yung resistance ng bawat conductor. Okay? Ayan. So nasolve na natin yan. So let's try to solve number 3. So sa number 3, duplex lang. Number 3, you have duplex lang. Two-layer progressive four poles 16 slots. Okay, having 2 coil sides. So ibig sabihin, ganito yan, no? So ito yung ano, di ba kayo yung isa? So meron dalawa. Okay? Lahat ng even, lahat ng odd number sa taas, 1, 3, 5, and so on. Tapos, halimbawa 5 yan. So nandito yung 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nasa ilalim yung even. No? So, dalawa. Okay, so ita-tabulate daw natin. So tignan natin kung matatabulate natin. So dalawa yan eh. Dalawang winding. So ano ba yung hahanapin? So first, you're going to determine say. Ito mo na hahanapin mo say. Pa? So how can you determine the say? 16 slots. Times. Ilan yung factor? 2 points side per slot. Diba nakalagay dyan? No? 2 points side. 2 points side per slot. So, ilan ang value ng Z? Yeah. 32 contractor. Okay? So next, Y average. Okay? So Y average is 1B plus YF divided by 2, and that is equal to C over P, diba? C over P. So, ang C natin ay 32. Tapos ang number of poles natin ay 4. So, what is Y average? That is 8. So, you have YB plus YF is equal, divided by 2 is equal to 8. So, YB plus YF is equal to 16. So, equation number 1. Okay? Next. So, yung isang equation natin, YB is equal to YF plus 2M. Diba? Plus 2M. Yan yung isang equation natin. So, saan galing ito? Dito. Diba? Ito ay 8. So, ito, 8 na yan. Kaya lang 16. So, ito naman, YB is equal to YF plus 2 times duplex. Okay, so you have YB is equal to YF plus 4, equation number 2. So we can now determine the value of YF and YB. Okay, what is the pakihanap? So, ano yung value ng YB? 10. YB is 10. Tapos ang YF, 6. Pero even yan, supposed to be dapat add. Okay, so ang maganda yan, you have to subtract 1. No? Yan ang pinakapan natin. So YF is equal to 5. And YB is equal to 9. Ito yung gagamitin para mag-add. Okay? So next, dalawa yung winding. So first winding, coil side. So winding number 1. So ito yung coil side. Connected to okay. Then connected to then connected to. So, coil side 1. Okay, so yung una, that is YB, no? So, dito ako plus 9. Ito yung YB mo eh. Plus 9. Ito yung crash pitch minus 5. Nasa wave tayo kasi pag sa, nasa lock pala tayo kasi pag sa wave, hindi siya plus minus. Pareho plus. Okay? Okay, so tandaan nyo, 16 slots na tayo. So, you have 1 plus 9, you have 10. Minus 5, that is 5. Diba? O 5. Next. 18. Minus 5, 9. And 9, 18, di ba? Ay, wala namang 18. May 18 ba? Okay, check nyo muna. Is it possible na magkaroon ng 18 or hindi siya magkakaroon ng 18? Sige, ano? At naalala niyo yung ginawa natin last time, so tingnan nyo kung ano yung pan nyo.
Chan.
Wala kasi instant food.
Kaya nga eh.
Face to face pa naman.
O, yung Z, ilan ang Z na?